Alright, so we are, oh, look at that train set. We're working on a Geo. Quite a train set. Check that thing out. I mean, he's got mountains, overpass, cars. Wow, it's nifty. But we installed this Geo back in 2010. And upstairs it was running auxiliary heat for some reason because it wasn't making it up in time. And came down here, opened up the door. Hear the compressor buzz. Didn't want to start. I'm hoping just the capacitor failed. Because the capacitor was reading nothing. So it calls for 45, and all I had was a 45.5 on the truck. So just got to check my wiring down here, see which one goes where, which one goes to common, which one goes to start. But let's see what happens. Let me hook this up. Well, I'm hoping this is all it is. Got that in there. Check my wires back. Let's see what happens. Hopefully I don't have much of a delay. Oh well, might have a delay on it. Which I think it does. I can't remember if I can. It's got a test right there. Let's see, what does test say? If it has anything for test. Well, let's see what happens. Well, after 5 minutes, pulled 52 amps. Let's start up. It's our rated. Okay. What's our rated? Run capacitor 45. 72 LRA, so we're under the max rating, so that's good. Right now we're running 7, so thank God that's all it was. Well, that's it for this one, just a capacitor on a Geo, not a big deal. Shut that up. Call this one done. Maybe I'll go for a train ride. Alright guys, like and subscribe.